I have the Samsung Smart TV, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to wirelessly screen mirror your Windows laptop to the TV. So here I have a Windows laptop, and to screen mirror the screen to the TV, the first thing I need to do is make sure both the laptop and the TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once I do that, I can just come to the laptop and then press Windows plus K. So just press Windows and K on the laptop, and you should see that little menu appear on the right side of your laptop. Now it's going to be looking for devices. It's like it says, searching for wireless display and audio devices. So what you want to do is select your TV. So you can see my TV has been detected. So click on that, and it's going to attempt to connect to the TV. And right now, as you can see on the TV, I have a request. So that desktop, you must grant permission for your device to connect to TV. So grab your TV's remote and then click on allow. And then it's going to attempt to connect to the desktop. Still trying. You can see it's still trying, so you just have to be patient sometimes. And there you go. So it's currently connected, and as you can see, it's connected in a split screen mode. Now, if you want it to go full screen, just again grab your remote and then select the area and then select full screen. And now, as you can see, my laptop has been screen mirrored full screen onto the TV. That's basically how to do that. Now, when you're done screen mirroring the laptop to the TV, all you have to do is click on disconnect at the top there, and that's going to end the wireless screen mirroring. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. And also keep in mind that this works also for desktop computers. So if you have a Windows desktop computer, as long as you have Wi-Fi and it's connected to the same Wi-Fi as the TV, that's going to work too. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.